peppers, thread, photo, gum, sketches, your wish any color, and stickers. Take color peppers, take thread, keep holes and send this thread into these holes. This is my memory book. But here I have pasted my photo. Then name is Srivali. I love my family. These pages you can paste your mother and father's photo and you can write about them. My memory book. Okay friends, thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button. Okay friends, thank you. Bye bye.